You might have heard about the LG All-in-One series of DVLED displays, but did you know that you can create a large-scale video wall by connecting multiple all-in-ones together? Shipped in robust road cases and designed with a unique 3-cabinet layout, you can install one of the LG All-in-One series displays in as little as 2 hours. The All-in-One starts with a wall-mounted frame. Similar to one that you might hang a traditional display on, this one goes together with the included screws. After making sure that your guidelines are level, you can hang it directly into reinforced drywall. Here, a small crew of integrators are connecting 3 all-in-one mounts together to create one unified 1x3 video wall. Prepping the cabinets themselves is a breeze. After connecting the mounting pucks to the back of each unit, and after removing the frames from their cabinets that will be joined on the inside of the video wall with the coupling bracket, the cabinets are ready to go on the wall. Each cabinet is placed in the mounting cavity and then slid to the side to lock in place. Since this is a 1x3 video wall, the integrators are moving from right to left, shifting each cabinet into place until they complete the wall. Once all of the coupling brackets have been tightened and the final inspection completed, the team can begin placing the individual DVLED modules on the wall. Each module snaps in with small magnets on each corner of the cabinet. Each module is numbered with its corresponding spot for easy placement, and because the wall is all-in-one, the panels can be safely placed on the wall while it is on, allowing you to instantly begin to see the image of the wall take form. The LG All-in-One ships with spare modules, and if one becomes damaged, simply return it for a warranty repair. This install only took 1 day to complete. If you need additional assistance installing your new LG All-in-One, consider LG's Supervised install service for even easier installation. Finally, the last panel can be placed on the wall, completing a 1x3 video wall configuration for this client. Content can be fed directly into each wall, or additional methods can be used for treating the wall as one unified screen. For more information, contact your Almo Pro AV representative to find out how you can include an LG All-in-One DVLED solution in your next install today.